What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Come on in, come on in. So I have not made a YouTube video on this channel in so long, but I just moved. Okay, this is my brand new apartment, and I figured before I get all my furniture in, I wanted to do a little empty apartment tour. So let's get into it, okay? First, you walk in, and then we have a laundry room. I finally have an actual laundry room. Okay, my last apartment was absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm so blessed and grateful to have lived there for 2.5 years. Like, it was great. But, you know, it's time to upgrade, time to change it up. It's 2023, I was getting bored. So anywho, this is the laundry room. It's so big. What I love about this apartment, it is so big. Like, I thought my apartment last time was huge. This makes that apartment look small, which is crazy. And I'm so blessed and so fortunate, and God is so good. But I'm so happy to actually have a full laundry room, and I can put like all my laundry things up here because it's just so much better. There's so much space. Also, we love the lighting. We love good lighting, period per. Then we have another closet, which we love. So freaking big, bitch. Like, I'm literally all the way on this side. I'm all the way on this side. Like, I know I can just put all my jackets and all my like heavy duty boots in that closet because y'all know I have way too many clothes, so that is just very convenient. And now we are going to step on over to the main living area, which I absolutely love. The kitchen's super cute, and what I love about the kitchen is that I can still have my little bar stools. A lot of other apartments I was touring didn't have like a little island effect, so I love the fact that I get that. We love that. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna put like my dining room tables over here, my big ass mirror here, my couch of course. And then I'll do a full like furnished apartment tour when that's all done. Then we have my balcony, which it's really dark right now, so I won't take you out there, but when everything's all set up, then I'll do like a furnished apartment tour and I'll show you everything. And then we have the fridge. What I love about this fridge, unlike my last fridge, I actually get the cubed ice, the crushed ice, and the water, because before I had to use a little like water filter thing, which is totally fine, but I love fridges like this. It's so much better. And I love the lighting in here. It's great. So now, guys, we got another freaking closet. The amount of space in this apartment is insane. Like, I can put, I don't know what I'm gonna put in there, but I can put something in there, okay? And then we have like just this big ass hallway. Like, look at this. Come along with me. So we have one of the bathrooms. There's so many bathrooms in here, but I absolutely love this bathroom. It's so cute. Like, just so much space. I can put all my makeup in here. It's so cute. And then I love the shower head as well, and just the backsplash. Look how deep this tub is, y'all. Y'all know I cannot swim, so I'm just gonna be, if I take a bath, I'm not gonna fill it up too big because, you know, we can't be having TT drowning out here, but like, I'm so excited to just take so many baths. And the lighting in this bathroom is so good. We love it. Next, we have my room, of course. This is gonna be my room. I'm so excited. This room is literally so nice. So this is a bathroom that's connected to a double sinks. We love the double sinks because my last apartment had double sinks. But what I love about this bathroom is all the space. Like, there's freaking cabinets. Did you see how deep that is? That is deep in there. I can't even reach. Okay, and then we have a little hook for like my towels and which is just so nice that that's already in there. So much space to put like my makeup, and this has the type of drawers that you won't like, they don't slam shut. It's like the soft close drawers or whatever it's called. And just such deep cabinet space. Like, oh my God, it's so lovely. And again, beautiful bathtub. I have no words, okay? So we got that. Then the walk-in closet. Yes! You guys know I love walk-in closets. This place is just so huge. I'm so excited to put all my in here. We love, okay? What I love about this room, look how big this bedroom is, guys. What the heck? And I have my own balcony as well. Like, what? I'm one person, y'all. I'm one person. This is crazy. I feel like this is a house. This is my the master bedroom, but this is gonna be my bedroom. I mean, I'm living alone. It's not like I'm roommates or anything, but this is going to be where I sleep, okay? Gonna put the bed here, obviously. Gonna put the TV there. I'm getting a vanity from Questions Vanity. Freaking love them. But yeah, that's gonna be over there, and then I'm gonna start doing a lot more get ready with things and stuff. But just the fact that I have my own balcony over there is just so fun, and it's a private balcony compared to the one in the living room, so we love, okay? So now, come along with me, come along, okay? This room, which I think this room is gonna be the office. As you guys know, I'm an actress. I'm currently filming a movie right now, which is really exciting. And I can't wait for you guys to see it. I literally just came from set today. It's either gonna be the guest or the office, I don't know, but we shall see. It's really cute. Actually, this might be the guest room. I don't know. I'll figure it out. You guys will know soon enough. But time to show you the other room. Then we have another room. This will probably be the office. I think the other room, since it's slightly bigger, will be the guest bedroom, so that whenever my friends stay with me, they're super comfortable. But I think this will be the perfect office, and the white walls are perfect. I can put my computer here, do my self-tapes there, and once again, all these rooms have so much closet space too. Like, this is a really deep closet as well. So it's just never ending. It never freaking ends. And yeah, so that is all for my empty apartment tour. I love you guys so much. Make sure you like and subscribe and thumb up this video because I want to do a updated furnished apartment tour, and I'll show you guys where I put everything. So yeah, stay tuned. I love you guys. Mwah.